Even though Leonardo AI is a very powerful tool, it's still very difficult to use specific colors in your images. However, there is a trick you can use to achieve this. In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple trick that lets you transfer colors from any solid color or gradient images to your photos. This trick can also be used for color grading, lighting, and applying specific color palettes to your image creations. Using this method, you can create stunning results like this, and this, even golden images like this, beautiful pinks like this, and also this. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Leonardo AI account. Then head over to the bottom, click on Create, and select Image Generation. Then you can write any prompt you like. The prompt can be simple or complex. However, you should not add any colors to avoid confusing the bot. You can also use a background. In this case, I'm going to be using a city background. As for the model, you can choose anyone. I'm going to use the Leonardo Phoenix for this example. The next step is to make sure that the style is set to None. Then you're going to go down and turn the prompt enhancement off. You can leave everything else as is. The last but most important part is to add your sample image for guidance. I'm going to just upload this beautiful pink fuchsia gradient. Then make sure it's set to image, then I'll slide the strength down to 10. That's the setting. Now I'll create the images. So, as you can see, this very easy trick works like a charm. Just look at the pink coming through. I didn't specify any color, but still the colors are coming through. Just look at the beautiful lighting in this image, it's just amazing. But if you want more of the color in your image, you can just increase the strength of the reference image. Let me show you how it would look like. So that's my Leonardo AI tip. If you would like to learn more about Leonardo AI and how you can get the most out of it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Until next time, bye.